Exercise number 3. The accused has been tried in aforesaid offences while crime number 599/2017 registered with City Police Station Pusad on a report in bracket Exhibit 21 dated 4/11/2017 lodged by Sau Pinky, resident Gandhiwad, Pusad. Para. In brief, the case of the prosecution runs as follows: that the complainant is resident of Pusad, having one daughter aged about 5 years in bracket victim and son Sushant aged about 5 months. Full stop. He is residing along with husband, mother-in-law Kausalya Bai took victim to Hanuman temple as celebration of Kartik Ekadashi was going on. Full stop. The complainant was in a house. Full stop. One Dhondiba, who is residing at Thakkar ward, came to her house and asked whether her daughter in bracket victim came in a house. She replied in negative. Full stop. In response, that Dhondiba told her that Ashish in bracket accused taken away victim somewhere from the custody of Kausalya. Hence, the complainant Pinky came to temple and asked Kausalya whereabouts of victim. Full stop. She told that Ashish took victim on the pretext to give biscuit. Full stop. The complaint took search up to half to 1 hours, she did not trace out the victim, around 7 p.m. She saw the Ashish coming from behind the temple and the victim was on his waist. Full stop. The further saw that Ashish took the chips from the shop of Jumde and given to the victim. Para. The complainant rushed to the shop, threw the chips pocket from the hand of victim and asked her what happened. Full stop. That time the victim narrated that the accused dragged her from the grandfather on the pretext of giving chips, he brought her at dark place. Full stop. He also intimidated to break her head by stone if she discussed said fact to anybody and also slapped on her head. Full stop. After hearing the story from the victim, the complainant got angry and slapped the Ashish in bracket accused. He also tried to beat her. That time her nephew Dheeraj was there. They approached to the police station along with victim and lodged the report. While Exhibit 21 FIR is at Exhibit 22. Para. Assistant Police of Inspector Dinesh registered the aforesaid offences. Full stop. He issued a letter to Tahsildar on next day while Exhibit 37 requesting to make available 2 panchas. Full stop. Accordingly, one Shankar and Nagshen made available. Full stop. In their presence, the spot Panchanama Exhibit 18th came to be prepared. Full stop. The spot was shown by the complainant in presence of victim. Full stop. The photographs also taken while article capital A1 to capital A10. Full stop. The statement of victim came to be recorded. Full stop. She was referred to General Hospital Pusad for medical checkup. Full stop. The medical officer Sri Khobragade in bracket PW5 examined her who did not find the sign of intercourse. Full stop. She issued the certificate at Exhibit 33. He also collected her oral swab of nail capital EDTA and plain sample and handed over the concerned capital WPC. Full stop. The investigation officer has collected her birth certificate at Exhibit 43 full stop. The clothes of victim and her biological sample also came to be seized under Panchanama Exhibit 19 and 24, full stop, para. The accused came to be arrested on 2/10/2018. His clothes came to be seized, full stop. The seized article were sent to chemical analyst, full stop. After completion of investigation, the charge sheet came to be filed for trial, full stop. From the arrest, the accused is behind the bar, full stop. The charge in aforesaid offences below Exhibit 2 came to be famed, but the abjured the guilt and claimed to be tried, para. Taking into consideration the case of the prosecution and the defense, following points arise for my determination. Findings there are recorded with reasons as the follows. Does the prosecution prove that on 4/11/2017 in between 6 to 7 p.m. accused gave a threat to the victim to break her head by means of stone if she narrate the incident?